Hi, I am Dr. S. Yadupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and I am working in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. In our college, we are using Center for Learning and Teaching methods. Design thinking process used in this method, teaching method. So, in design thinking process, first we are identify the problems and how to rectify and how to solve the problems. In any problems, we can identify and how to face the problem and how to solve the problems. So when we are using IC engines and what are the components inside the engine and what are the systems used in the IC engines. This is the problem, but we are all not known that systems. What are the systems inside the IC engines? So we are seeing saw the figures that some of the parts we can identify, but what are the systems used in the IC engines we not know. So first of all, exhaust system. So the exhaust system means after burning the air fuel mixture, how the burned gas will be through outside or pushed outside from the engine chamber. So in the system flow system for removing exhaust gases from the cylinders, treating them and exhausting them to the surroundings. It consists of an exhaust manifold which carries we can know the silencers, that is the manifold, so that carries the exhaust gases away from the engine, a thermal or catalytic converter to reduce emissions, a muffler to reduce engine noise, and a tailpipe to carry the exhaust gas away from the passenger compartments. So these are all the exhaust manifold systems. So inside the silencer, these are included. And flywheel, that is called the rotating moss. So these are all not knowing the systems which connected in the IC engines. The flywheel is rotating moss, a large moment of inertia connected to the crankshaft of the engine. So while the function of the flywheel is in ideal condition, the engine runs, the power would be stored in flywheels. So that is the main purpose of flywheel used in the IC engines or automobiles. The purpose of the flywheel is to store energy and furnishing large angular momentum that keeps the engine rotating in ideal condition. Reduce power strokes and smooths out engine operations. So this is the function of the flywheel. Then fuel injector. In this type of fuel injector used in combustion engines. So a pressurized nozzle that sprays fuel into the incoming air in SI engines or into the cylinder CA engines. So we are mostly using diesel engines in this type of fuel injector. Then fuel pump, that is the pump connected in fuel tank and the fuel injector. So the fuel is pumped from fuel tank that is used by the fuel pumps. Then glow plug, small electrical resistance heater mounted inside the combustion chamber of many combustion engine engines used to preheat the chamber enough so that combustion will occur when first starting a cold engine. In initial starting condition, the engine is in cold condition. In the type of condition, we are using glow plug to preheat the inside the cylinder box. Then starter. Several methods are used to start IC engines. Most are started by use an electric motor, that is automatic starters, and generated to the engine flywheel. Then energy is supplied from an electric battery. So we are if you switch on, the power will be go to starter motor, and the starter motor is connected to the flywheel. So the flywheel rotates, the inside the piston also rotates. So the ignition will be started. So this is the schematic diagram of the cylinder and piston and where is the clearance volume. Then top dead center and bottom dead center. So these are all clearly established in the figure. So bore means the circular area of the cylinder block. Then piston displacement, that is the piston moves inside the cylinder area, length of the movement. Then intake, then V1, V2, these are all clearly established. Thank you.